Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the 5 best 3D printers you can buy right now. Machines that are bringing professional-grade fabrication capability into homes, workshops, classrooms, and small businesses around the world. 3D printing has undergone a transformation in recent years that is nothing short of remarkable. What once required technical expertise, endless calibration, and a tolerance for frustration has evolved into a technology that is faster, smarter, more reliable, and more accessible than at any point in its history. Whether you're a hobbyist bringing creative ideas to life, an engineer prototyping functional parts, a small business producing custom products, or a complete beginner picking up your very first printer, there has never been a better time to get into this space. These 5 machines represent the best of what the industry currently offers. Let's get into it. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 V3. The Creality Ender 3 V3 is a machine that carries one of the most storied names in desktop 3D printing, and this latest generation proves that the icon still has plenty left to say. The original Ender 3 practically defined the entry-level FDM printer category, building a global community of makers, modders, and creators who pushed the platform further than Creality ever imagined. The V3 takes that legacy seriously, arriving with a fully automatic bed leveling system that eliminates the single most frustrating aspect of entry-level printing and makes first-layer success a reliable expectation rather than a lucky outcome. The Core XY motion system represents a fundamental upgrade in how the print head moves, enabling significantly faster print speeds, up to 600 mm, without the ringing and ghosting artifacts that plague lower-cost bedslinger designs at speed. The direct drive extruder handles flexible and exotic filaments with a confidence that Bowden-equipped predecessors could never match, dramatically expanding the material versatility available from day one. Creality's extensive ecosystem of spare parts, upgrades, community modifications, and documentation means help is always one forum search away, an invaluable reassurance for anyone new to the hobby. The Creality Ender 3 V3 retails for approximately $300 USD. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra 3. The Anycubic Cobra 3 is the multicolor printing revolution made genuinely accessible, a machine that removes the technical complexity traditionally associated with multi-filament systems and delivers it in a package that beginners can unbox, set up, and start printing from within an afternoon. Multicolor printing has historically demanded either expensive hardware or intricate manual workflows that frustrated all but the most dedicated enthusiasts. The Cobra 3 changes that equation entirely with its integrated multicolor system that handles filament switching automatically, enabling prints with up to 8 colors without manual intervention or mid-print babysitting. The visual results are immediately striking. Figurines with realistic coloring, functional parts with color-coded features, decorative objects with gradients and patterns, all produced from a single machine without post-processing or painting. Anycubic's LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling technology ensures the bed is consistently trammed and ready across every print session, while the high-speed Core XY architecture keeps print times competitive even when the complexity of multicolor switching is factored into the equation. For makers, hobbyists, and small creators who want to produce genuinely eye-catching multicolor prints without a steep learning curve, the Cobra 3 opens a door that previously felt firmly closed. The Anycubic Cobra 3 retails for approximately $350 or USD. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro is the speed demon of this list. A machine engineered from the ground up around the premise that waiting for prints is a problem that technology has now solved, and that there is simply no reason to accept slow output from a modern desktop printer. The Neptune 4 Pro pushes print speeds up to an extraordinary 500 mm with acceleration figures that would have seemed implausible from a printer in this price bracket just 2 years ago, enabled by a combination of Clipper firmware, input shaping calibration, and a rigid frame architecture that keeps vibration and resonance under control at velocities where lesser machines produce unusable results. Clipper firmware itself is a meaningful differentiator. The open-source platform beloved by the enthusiast community brings a depth of configurability, macro scripting capability, and remote monitoring via a web interface that proprietary firmware solutions cannot match. The high-flow hot end handles demanding print speeds without under-extrusion, while the automatic bed leveling with 121-point mesh compensation ensures first-layer adhesion remains consistent, even as thermal expansion introduces subtle bed geometry changes mid-session. For the productive maker who values throughput above all else and wants Clipper's flexibility without building a printer from scratch, the Neptune 4 Pro is a genuinely compelling proposition. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro retails for approximately $280 USD. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 2. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 2 is the printer that makes every other machine on this list work harder to justify itself. A compact, polished, and relentlessly capable machine from a company that arrived in the 3D printing market and immediately raised the bar for what the entire industry should aspire to. Bambu Lab built its reputation on engineering software and hardware as a unified system rather than an afterthought integration, and the A1 Mini 2 delivers that philosophy in a footprint small enough to sit comfortably on a desk without dominating it. The print quality straight out of the box, with no manual calibration, no firmware tinkering, no community forum troubleshooting, is simply the best automatic out-of-box experience in the consumer 3D printing market today. Bambu's automatic material system integration enables seamless multicolor printing with up to 4 filaments, producing results with a cleanliness and reliability that dedicated multi-filament machines from other brands struggle to match. The vibration compensation, flow rate calibration, and first layer inspection all run automatically before and during every print, catching problems before they become failures and eliminating the print monitoring anxiety that experienced users know all too well. Bambu Studio, the companion slicer software, is intuitive enough for absolute beginners, yet deep enough for experienced operators who want granular control. For anyone who wants brilliant results immediately, with none of the traditional learning curve, the A1 Mini 2 is transformative. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 2 retails for approximately $400 USD. Number 1. Prusa MK4S. The Prusa MK4S takes the top position. And for anyone who follows 3D printing seriously, that outcome will surprise nobody. Prusa Research has been the conscience and the benchmark of the desktop FDM printing world for over a decade, and the MK4S is the most complete expression of that legacy Joseph Prusa and his team have ever produced. Where other manufacturers chase specifications and marketing headlines, Prusa chases something harder to quantify and infinitely more valuable: absolute, unconditional reliability. The MK4S is the printer you set running before you go to sleep and wake up to find a perfect completed print waiting for you. Not because you got lucky, but because the machine was designed with an obsessive attention to every failure mode and addressed each one systematically and without compromise. The Nextruder Direct Drive extruder system with its load cell-based first-layer calibration is a piece of engineering that redefines what automatic leveling means. Not just mesh compensation, but genuine real-time force feedback that adapts to any surface, any temperature variation, and any filament without user input. Input Shaper technology enables high-speed printing without resonance artifacts, while the 32-bit Buddy control board runs a refined version of Marlin firmware that benefits from years of community refinement and Prusa's own relentless development cycle. The fully open-source hardware and software ecosystem means the MK4S is not a product with a fixed lifespan, but a platform that evolves. Prusa's track record of delivering meaningful firmware updates and upgrade kits for existing owners years after purchase is unmatched in the industry. The comprehensive assembly documentation, legendary customer support, and a global community of millions of users mean that no question goes unanswered and no problem stays unsolved for long. The MK4S is not the fastest printer on this list, nor the cheapest. It is simply the best. The Prusa MK4S retails for approximately $799 USDTs.